Have a nice day, everyone. We continue the series of Make EASA module simple. Today, we will explain the decimal number system. There is another number systems such as a binary number system. The base is 2. The parameters are 0 and 1, like a switch on and off. The octal number, the base is 8, and the parameters are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A hexadecimal number, base 16, contains two things, numbers and letters. Numbers from 0 to 9, then after 9, A until F. The number system that we use every day is called the decimal system. The prefix in the word decimal is a Latin word from the word 10. The 10 are the fingers, like these figures. Left hand and right hand, every hand had 5 fingers. The decimal base 10. Decimal counting goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, like the whole numbers. The decimal place values. Take care here that there is the decimal point, which separate the integer and the fraction. This is fraction of 10 decimal. Look here as example. This is the unit, 10 parts. 10 parts, 10 over 10 equal 1. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 from 10 means 6 over 10 means 0.6. This is 1 decimal place. Again, here. Look here. 1 step to left, 1. 1 step to right, not once. This is tens. Take care here. After 10, we add th here. Add th, ths, or 4. Okay? So this is ones, but here, no ones here, but tens. The 2 decimal here, the 2, 10. 1, tens. But here, the 2, the space, the point, another this is hundreds. Okay? The third place equal thousands, and so on. So the places here, this part like the whole numbers. The whole number place values, but the addition here is this part, the decimal. This is part of 10, this is part of 100, and this is part of 1,000, this is part of 10,000, this is part of 100,000, and this is parts of million. Okay? We go to the addition of the decimal numbers. We must arrange the numbers and the decimal places, like here. As example here, I want to add 1.452, 1.452 plus 1.3 plus 1.3. Here is 3, 3, decimal places here. So I want to make this like this. So I will add two zeros here. Then I add 2 plus 0 equal to 5 plus 0. Okay. Another example here. Here is three numbers. 3.25 plus 0.075. Sometimes we call 0, we call it O, 0.075, and integer 5. So we put here, which has a decimal places more, the larger one, this 0.75 here, 0.75. So this is 3. This is 2, 5. And this is 5, no places here. So I will make all the same. Here I put 0, here I put 2 zeros and point. Then I add the number. When we want to subtract with subtraction of decimal numbers. Example 1. The same procedure. This is 7.368. 7.368 minus 1.15. Here is 3 decimal places, but here is 2. So I completed by 0. Then subtract. No problem here. Example number 2. Calculate 7.0005 minus 0.055. Here 7.005 and here 0.55. I will complete it by 0 and then subtract. Okay? Multiplication of the decimal. In multiplication here, take care to simplify the solution. Ignore the decimal points. Ignore the decimal points and multiply without the decimal places. Example 1 here. 0.03 multiply by 1.1 here. 0.03 multiply 1.1. Cancel the not cancel. We can put the okay. We cancel it and multiply without it. Then after the answer, we put all the decimal places. Okay. So as we said before, ignore the decimal place. 3 by 12 equals 33. Then we look here. Here 2 decimal places and here 1 decimal place. So the total are 3 decimal places. Here 33, I will move the point 1 place, 2 place. The third place, I put 0 here. So the result here. Another example here. If I want to multiply 9.45 by 120, here, 9.45 by 120. I put it here without decimal here, without decimal places. 0 by this, 0, 0, 0. Shift 1 place. Then 2 plus 5, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 9. As we explained before, this is the right. 2 by 5 equal 10, 0 and carry 1. 2 by 4 equal 8, 8 plus 1 equal 9, and complete. The third 1 by 1 by 5 by. Take care, we shift every time we shift one place to the left. Then add the, this is the result. After that, how many decimal places here in this example? 2 here, no. So the total decimal places is 22. So we put in the result here 1, 2. So the point we'll put here like here. Okay. So the result is 1134. 1134. Go to the division of the decimal numbers. Okay. To divide the decimal numbers, take care here. I want to, the divisor here, I want it to convert it to integer number, a real number, not fraction, not part. So I will move this decimal here to become 4. The same thing, I multiply this by 10. Here I multiply also by 10. So the point here will come here, 64. Then divided 64, divided 4. This step equal this step. So because I multiply this by 10, I multiply by 10, the value not changed here. So this is the result. Another example here, 0.539 divided by 0.11. I put it here. Where is the divisor? The divisor is here. I want to shift this or move this point to decimal places. So 1, 2 here. This is the first one, and this is the second one. So the result is 11. The same things. I will move the decimal points here 2 places. This is the first step, and this is the second step. Here, the division has 0.9 here, but what about this? Here is 0.9. Okay, divided it without decimal, and at the end of the solution, we put the decimal point here without here. Here, the point here, 1 decimal only, we put the 1. We can take care here and notice that this is 5 divided by 11. This is smaller, impossible. So we put 0, and we take help from 3, became 53. 53 divided 11, like here. And 11 by 1 equal 11. 11 by 2 equal 22. 11 by 3 33. 11 by 4 44. 11 by 5 equal 5 by. So more than this. So the right answer is this, 4. We put 4. And the point came now. This point. Put the point. Okay. This is the small examples and say facility, more facility. Thank you very much.